What's up? Welcome back to another episode on the Suburban. Today, it is cold as balls out. It's like 24 degrees. I just had the heater running and it did absolutely nothing. Today is gonna be fun. On top of that, I woke up and I can barely walk because, well, I don't know. My back decided to go on vacation. It's probably somewhere warmer. I hope it comes back soon. Nonetheless, you gotta keep on going. Today is my birthday though. It's my birthday. 36 years old. Thank you. 36, woke up, can't walk. Today, this episode is brought to you by AARP and Centrum Silver. Just kidding. It's not, but you know, one of these days it will be. But anyway, what are we doing today? We're gonna get the bag mounts welded on today. The parts that we have, I'm not sure where they came from. They look like Thorbros, like a Thorbros bridge kit. I'm not 100% sure on that, so fairly simple kit. We're just gonna do an over the axle setup, running the Airlift Dominator 2600s. I'd like to get the shocks mounted. So we'll probably have to design some brackets for that. Also, I designed some mock-up bags. I watched a video the other day from, I think his channel's Garage Fab. He made up a set of mock-up bags. That way you don't have to compress the bags and risk damaging the bags in the process. And the Dominator bags are some pretty stout bags. So trying to compress them, keep them compressed, and then trying to, you know, get all the brackets and everything welded on. Stop wasting time. It's cold out. My back hurts. Should be fun trying to crawl all around, but these things don't build themselves. Don't be a bitch, just get at it. Let's go.
Highly sedated, intoxicated. We're automated and overpopulated. We're all fish in a stream. Swimming towards a vicious dream.
I got it.
Don't you know we're the walking dead? Our lives were meant to be this bleak. Somehow they got into our heads. We're wide awake, yet still asleep. Nothing's ever as it seems. We're bound to believe everything they scream.
It's always something.
Don't you know we're the walking dead? Our lives were meant to be this bleak. Somehow they got into our heads. We're wide awake, yet still asleep. We're the walking dead. We're the walking dead. Oh, 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 oh. We're the walking dead. We're the walking dead. Oh, 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 oh. Highly sedated, intoxicated. We're automated and overpopulated. Don't you know we're the walking dead? Our lives were meant to be this bleak. Somehow they got into our heads. We're wide awake, yet still asleep.
All right, bag mounts are in. Now, because I'm so smart and I welded that brace across the top of the notch, I can't get the round tube hoops around the bag mounts and get the cross bridge or the cross tube piece in there also. So I gotta weld another piece in between the notches on the front side to get it the other piece out of the way. Planning ahead. That's me. Anyway. Knock it off! And there you have it. Bag mounts in. I didn't film putting the bridge piece in because I had a rough time with getting the tubes notch cut, fitted up and everything. Just because I used different upper bag mounts, they weren't, the upper tube pieces weren't 100% correct anymore, so did a little notching of them and everything. But bag mounts are in. I didn't get the shocks in this episode. I'm kind of running out of time. It's Friday morning right now and I have to have the video up. Probably I'm gonna try to aim by noon, 12 o'clock today. So I don't have a watch. The time's wasted. Hope you enjoyed the video. Come back next week. We will be probably getting the shocks on, getting the back cut out to get the wheels fit up in. Maybe we'll try to sit them down on the ground. If I get the inner structure cut out enough for the wheels, we might sit it down on the ground just so I can actually move it around. That would be nice also. Things that are left that I have to do is I gotta mount the gas tank behind the axle. We're gonna use a first gen S10 Blazer gas tank. They're kind of like a squarey rectangle tank. I might have to raise the floor in the back. I'm not sure yet. We're gonna I gotta get that up in there. I have to cut some brackets for that. And then also the body mount cross member in front of the axle is gonna be in the way for the drive shaft. So I might just try to use that cross member, but also kind of create it into a notched cross member, if you know what I'm saying. Kind of like I did with the C10. If you go back and watch that video, I used the existing cross member and just built a notch over the drive shaft. So yeah, I got to do that. And then after that, the major fabrication I think is about done. And then once we get through that, we're gonna drop the frame out from the body. We're just gonna drop it straight down. I'll finish cleaning everything up, grind all the rust down, and then we'll shoot some paint over it. But we got a lot of work to do before that happens. Thanks for watching. Do all the YouTube stuff. If you're new here, subscribe, like, comment, hit the bell, ding! And we will see you next week. Cut! We out! It's cold out.
Go shorty, it's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday.
With a bad back, I'm gonna get this metal out. That was close. Anybody want to help? I got it. Ow.